Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about historical place.
Hi. Hello. Which tourist attractions do you prefer when traveling? Historical places or natural landmarks? Well, historical places are always my first choice when traveling. What do you usually do when visiting historical places? I usually listen to the tour guide introducing the sites and take notes about important historical events. Can you name some historical places you have visited? Whenever I travel to a foreign country, I always visit its famous historical places. Some of them are the pyramids in Egypt, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Stonehenge in England, and the Taj Mahal in India. What's your most favorite historical place? Why? It's definitely the Statue of Liberty in New York City. What's special about it? The statue was gifted by the people of France. It is a symbol of freedom for the U.S., as well as a welcoming sight to people coming to the U.S. from another country. Where is it located? It's located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, NYC. Should the youth visit historical places instead of other places? Sure. Nowadays the youth should visit these kind of places more often in order to preserve historical and cultural values of their country.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about historical place. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.